I have logged into our Ebsco database and typed in a search for robots in middle school or elementary school. I also chose to look for peer-reviewed and full-text articles. The first article looks interesting, so I am going to click on that article. Even though my web browser has a Save to Mendeley button, it really doesn't work well with Ebsco. Notice that most of the information about the article does not transfer to Mendeley. Also, the PDF file doesn't save in Mendeley. A better option is to export the citation information and save the PDF file to your computer, and then add the information to the desktop Mendeley app. To export the citation information, click the Export button and choose the RIS option. In Windows, this will download by default to the Windows Download folder. You can rename the file if you want, but it needs to end in .ris. Then, you can download the PDF full text to your computer and save it in a folder. I chose to copy the title of the article and use it as the file name. You can download multiple files and citations as long as you name them so you can identify them. After you are finished, open the desktop Mendeley program. Choose Add Files and select the .ris file that you wish to add to Mendeley. Then scroll down the newly created citation until you see the Add File link. Click that link and find the corresponding PDF file you saved. This will add the PDF file to the citation. Repeat these steps for each citation you wish to import into Mendeley.